Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's supposed to be on for 5 minutes. Hey besties, it's Becca, and today's video we have a very exciting one. Of course, we're doing Xmondo toning mask. Yes! Pump up the party, pump up the party. I've never tried this one before, and it's sealed and everything, and we're gonna give it a go because I got some brassy hair. Why not do the best of the best for getting brass out? Let's get into the video right now. As you guys know, me and Xmondo have been collaborating on some products of his, and this is the next one that I am trying. I have tried the toning mousse, the purple shampoo, the 5-minute top coat, and I think there's one more. I have eyelash glue and it keeps sticking to my upper lid, and so like I have to like pull my, never mind. So we are trying the Xmondo Supernova Blonde Toning Mask, and it has a bond booster in it. If you have brass in your hair, just like this, then I promise you, you will not regret using Xmondo products. I do have a promo code for you guys for Xmondo hair. I'll link it down below. It's just Die Hard Barbie, and you get 15% off, and he has a bunch of sales going on his website for Christmas, so take advantage of it right now before it's too late. Just saying, Die Hard Barbie, coupon code. Thank me later. I'll link all the videos down below in the description, that all the products that I have tried. Do I look more awake with the white eyeliner on my eyes? Wow. So it is purple. Smells like the Xmondo line. It's purple, of course. That's what's going to counteract the brassiness in our hair. You do get a lot of product. You get 7.95 ounces, which is a lot. Like, they do not cheap out on the product. As you can see, there's a lot of product in there. How to use: apply to damp hair, leave on for 5 minutes, and rinse. Like, we got some problem areas here, okay? So this is gonna be very interesting, and we're putting it to the test. This mask is designed with a bond booster, neutralizing unwanted yellow tones on blonde, highlighted, or gray hair. And it has a bond booster, okay? That's the most important part. I love a good bond booster. Boost me away. Haven't washed my hair in about, I think, 2 days. So it's not even that bad, or 1 day. I don't know. I can't remember. I think it's 1 or 2 days. It's freshly washed. Let's go dampen our hair right now. So I have wet hair. Okay. Wow. And it's just like, it's like butter. It's a really good consistency. Very thick, creamy. It just smells like vacation, you know, like tropical coconut, like something that you just want to just put all over you. Wow. Wow. Okay, but I gotta go fast, right? I'm just gonna really focus on like the top of my head. Get it all saturated. It's going on very smoothly like butter. Now, you're usually supposed to do this while you're in like the bathtub or shower, but because I haven't bleached my hair in like, I think it's like 2 weeks now. So I do have, or a week, it's like almost 2 weeks. No, it's like a week and a half-ish. But I am having roots come out. My roots are more brassy than a fresh bleaching, if that makes sense. So that's why I'm starting with my roots first. I'm just doing it this way because I have dark roots right now and more brassier, as you can see, than the ends of my hair. I'm just a regular Canadian, and I love maple syrup. I hate maple syrup. I'm just gonna say it. Like, a lot of people think that we drink maple syrup every day. I absolutely hate maple syrup, and a lot of people hate maple syrup. Like, I think I eat it with my pancakes once a year. I'm not even lying. I hate the smell of it. Like once you get it on your hands, it lingers for like 3 weeks. Okay, it's just, take it away. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer and then we will do the rest of my hair. Now that it's been roughly about 10 minutes of being on my head, as you can see, like the rest of my hair isn't that brassy, but it still needs a really good toning on it. Now that it's sat on my roots for a while, we're gonna go in and coat it all over my head, and we're gonna use our bare hands. If you do ever, which it doesn't usually happen, but sometimes it can happen on porous hair like mine. Sometimes if, let's just say the ends of your hair, you can see a little casting of like purple, like a purple little hue. All you do is take a little bit of shampoo, like dandruff shampoo, any kind of shampoo that has like a sulfate in it, and you just kind of like do that a little bit and it comes right out and it's back to normal. Apply it to the rest of our hair. Let's get going and start saturating. I'm gonna start with the top first and then work my way down, okay? I'm just gonna do my eyebrows real quick. I'm gonna leave those on and put that like that. I'm gonna go wash this out before I overtone and I'll be right back. Took the brass right out of my life. This color is absolutely to die for, and I feel like a lot of blondes, they strive to get that like white platinum look, and just look at that. That is amazing. Just by a toning mask. I do have a coupon code for 15% off, Die Hard Barbie, so make sure you get that code in and take advantage of saving money on his website. Trust me, bestie, you will not regret buying from Xmondo Hair. I did go ahead and add layers to my hair because I am in the phase of like, I mean, it's growing. I haven't cut my hair in like 3 months-ish. Just wanted to add some layers to the front just so that it kind of like goes hand in hand together. I don't know, like more put together, like not so much of a sewage rat. It's so soft. Like, I don't know what he puts in there. That bond booster, it just made my hair feel so silky and soft and shiny. Like, do you see? A lot of people always comment like, how do you still have hair? How is your hair not fallen out yet? You aren't bald yet. It's because I take really good care of my hair. I have to, because I do hair for video content purposes. I'm a YouTube, I don't even want to say it. I'm a YouTube bestie on here, okay? Doing my hair all the time. So I do have to make sure that I have A+ hair quality that will stay on my head. Having good quality products that actually work is not even about the price. If a product works, it works. And that's what I've learned over the years. Sometimes expensive products work, sometimes expensive products sabotage our hair and actually don't work. So that's why I created this channel, so I can test out a bunch of products for you guys and for myself, so that I know what really works for my hair and what doesn't work. And also, some products may work for me, some products may not work for you. It's all about what it comes down to your hair and what your hair likes and what it doesn't like, how brassy your hair is, how light your hair is, how damaged your hair is. For me, I have obviously I have damaged hair because I'm a constant bleacher. So I always try to do a lot of hair masks, hair treatment, oil treatments on my hair. Anything that I know that will benefit my hair with hydrating is a very key factor. A hair toner mask that does no damage to our hair, but inserts color and also is repairing our hair. What? Give this video a like and subscribe to the Bestie Club, because we're always trying something new, something that is always pop-a-lockin', pop, lock, and drop it, pop, lock, and drop it. Anyways, I love you guys, and I hope to see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye, guys.